Welcome to this session. The file sharing architecture. The personal computer network were originally based on file sharing architectures. There are certain disadvantages too, like it works if shared usage is low, update connection is low, volume of data to be transferred is low. Thereby, the file server architecture has been obsolete, and due to the limitation of file server architecture, file sharing architecture, the client server architecture has been emerged. Here, a database server replaced by the file server. The main benefits is network traffic is reduced, which is the main problem of the industry. And the second one is user queries could be answered directly. Types of client server architecture. There are basically two kinds of client server architecture, two-tier architecture and three-tier architecture. The two-tier architecture is displayed in the following figure. Here client side is separated from the processing unit and the client has only user interface. As you see, you may found in the figure, the user means the client and it has only the user interface. It sends a request. That request has been passed through a network and then passed to the server layer. At the server layer, the application server is there to look after about the client request, process the request, and if required, query with a database server, an underlying database, and send back the response to the client. And thus, it is a two-tier architecture. There are certain advantages and disadvantages too of two-tier architecture. The advantages is it's non-complex, it's easy to implement. The information processing system, which is non-time critical, is the best example of two-tier architecture. User interface in user side and database management in the server side. The disadvantages of two-tier architecture are as follows. Performance deteriorate if more than 100 users are involved, means there is a limitation of 100 users. Interoperability is limited and the system administration is much more difficult. Thank you.